In this video, we'll delve into the process of activating your Monzo card, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So when the bank sends you a debit card, you receive a notification within the Monzo bank application, prompting you to activate your card. Simply tap on the Activate Card option. If your phone supports NFC, you can simply touch your cards to the back of your phone. Typically, iPhones come equipped with this feature. However, if your phone doesn't support NFC, fret not. You can manually input your card details by selecting the Activate Manually Instead option. As demonstrated on the screen, your card will be successfully activated, ready for immediate use. If you get any issues during this process, please don't hesitate to share your concern in the comment section below. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.